Lesson 2.3 is dealing with absolute value equations, and a formula found on page 50 says the absolute value of x equals x if x is greater than or equal to 0 and negative x if x is less than 0. So an example of that would be the absolute value of 5 is 5, because if it is, so if we're looking at this 5 as the x, this 5 is greater than or equal to 0, so it's just going to be the x. But if we had negative 5, this would go here, and still it's going to end up being a positive number. So coming out of the absolute value sign, everything is going to be positive. Okay, so when we have an equation, in order to be able to work that out, we have to work this two different ways so that we can check it, so that we can do the answer for if inside the absolute value is positive and if the absolute value is negative. So what we're going to do is rewrite this equation twice. We're going to have x plus 5 equals 9 and x plus 5 equals negative 9. Okay, so then we'll solve this. So we'll subtract 5 from both sides. So x can equal 4, or over here we'll subtract 5, and x could be negative 14. So both of these answers can be filled in here, and we would still end up getting 9 there. Now, if you have a problem that has a number outside the absolute value symbol, then what you have to do is take everything that's not within that absolute value symbol, take that negative 8 to the other side. So we'll add 8. So then we'll have the absolute value of 3x minus 12 equals 32. So now here we'll set up two equations. 3x minus 12 equals 32, and 3x minus 12 equals negative 32. And we'll solve each one. So we'll be adding 12 to both sides. So here we have 3x equals 44. And over here we'll have 3x equals negative 20. So then here we'll divide each side by 3, and over here, so our answer, I'll have to write it over here. So x is going to be 44 thirds, and this one, x is going to be negative 20 thirds. Okay, so those are your two answers. So those are the ways that you will be completing these problems. And I want you to do, for 2.3 problems 5 through 17 odd. Okay? And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.